Hi there, my name is Peter Vox. I am the director of Vox Singing Academy, established in 1993. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Please check out the links below for more info. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. One other thing, if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. I'll get back to as many of them as I possibly can. Let's get stuck into this next question. This next question is, can I do the Ultimate Online Singing Course just as a hobby? Yes, the Ultimate Online Singing Course is really designed for beginners all the way through to professional singers, but specifically for beginners, we have an entry-level course that starts at $14.95. These lessons are fun, that you basically just follow one course after the next. They're step-by-step, easy to follow. There are little quizzes so that you check off these quizzes as you go through the courses. Though remember that even if you're a hobby singer, the more that you put into it, the more that you're going to get out of it. So that's with anything in life, not just the Ultimate Online Singing Course. The more that you put into it, the more you're going to get out of it, and the more that you're going to be able to enjoy it. So the more that you practice, the more diligent you are with your practice, the better singer that you'll be, and the more that you'll be able to enjoy your voice. I hope that answers your question. Again, these are great value. And again, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, please check out the links below in the description. We'd be really honored to help you or someone else that you know with their singing. But the most important point is be good to each other, have fun singing, live with passion, and I'll see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace it out.